So today we are going to fold your winter coat with or without the hood. Using Marie Kondo's Konmari method of folding as our basis. So that you can store it away for out of season in a closet, bin, totes. If you have hand-me-downs or you wanted to put it in a box, in a drawer. However you want to store it, this will make it easier. Don't have to zip it up. Place it on the back. And just take from the neck and make a straight line down. The arm goes straight out. Put your finger there. And then just fold it in. Same with the other side. If it overlaps, it's not a big deal. But you can kind of move it so it doesn't, to make your life easier. And then we're going to go from the bottom. And 1, 2, and then tuck it into the hood. Don't strain it, just carefully tuck it in. And there it is. It will stand up on its own. It fits inside easily. You can see which one it is. And you can see that there's the hood. If you had a hood jacket without the hood, it'd be a little bit more difficult to make it stay in shape. So you probably want to zip it up or do Velcro so that it's not as floppy. Loose. Yep. Okay. You're still going to do the same folding in, but make sure you don't go over the center. You're folding to get the air out. We've done it just to the neckline. And then we're going to do the neck down. 1 for an A there. Double, just to over the sleeves. And then 1. Yeah. And 2. We're going to just kind of roll this all up together. And anything in it might have tried to pop out. And there it is. It does stand up on its own if you wanted to put it in a shelf or in a bin or in a drawer. Works well into a nice bin. This is a men's size large, so it will fit into your bin. And if you had it on the shelf, or if you had those vacuum bags, it would work great too. So if you're putting it into the hood, having these overlap is a good thing, because then it's smaller than the hood and it won't cause the strain and problem. Squishing. And it's just going to puff up a little right away anyways, but this way, as you bring it in, it's not as much strain on the hood. And then this this way it's a little bit taller than the way I just showed. And a bit more compact. So if you have a smaller bin that you're putting it in, like one of those cloth bins or a smaller area that it's going to go, it still works great.